Hey y'all, welcome to Texas. I wanted to do a quick review on this Bestway Steel Pro MAX 10-foot pole that I'm going to put in my backyard. So it kind of comes in a box like this. It has a filter. It's about 30 inches tall. I'm putting it right there. I'm using my own sand filter back there. It just does a little bit of a better job and does a little bit better job cleaning the water. So there it is right there. So there it is right there, and let's get started putting it together. We're going to put it right there. So here's what's in the box. So there's the liner right there. It comes kind of folded up. These are all the supports and cross members and legs, kind of wrapped up. And these are the corner supports. They're plastic. These are the pins that go into the corner supports as well as the feet. This is some extra tubing that goes with the filter that is provided. And then these are the intake valves and outtake valves that go inside the pool. So I will put those in. And then, so there's the box of the filter. I'm not going to unbox that. So I went ahead and laid out the liner the way I wanted it and kind of spread it out. Made sure there was nothing underneath it that would puncture it. I do have these pavers set around where I'm going to put the feet of the pool. And then so here you see I've gone ahead and put the top structure support in with the corner cross members. And I will be putting the pins in. They're little plastic pins that keep the corner supports in. So you see I push it right in like that. So anyway, so here it is all set up. You can see the feet are resting on the pavers. And you want to do that because you don't want the feet sinking into the ground. And I've made that mistake before, and it's not fun. You have to end up draining your pool and resetting the feet. So I highly recommend you getting some pavers, and then make sure you don't have the pavers too close to the vinyl right there, because once it's full of water, it could puncture it. So here I am loading it up with some water. Takes a good couple of hours to fill this up. So here we are. Happy summer.